When I am not the body, then only I am Shiva. And when I am the body, then I am not Shiva. जब मैं होती है तो शिव लुप्त हो जाता है, और जब मैं समाप्त होती है तो शिव जागृत हो जाता है. शिवा इज द गॉड. जब मैं होती है तो भगवान नहीं होता, और जब मैं समाप्त हो जाती है तो भगवान जागृत होता है. द गॉड टेक्स ओवर. एंड दिस इज द बेसिस ऑफ शिव योग, द रियल फिनोमेना. और उस मैं को समाप्त करने के लिए द डीप हीलिंग, द इग्नोरेंस, आई हैव टू गो ऑन. ब्रह्मा ग्रंथि समाप्त, विष्णु ग्रंथि समाप्त, रुद्र ग्रंथि समाप्त, एंड देन व्हाट रिमेन्स इज शिवा. शिवोहम, अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. So this is very, very important that we must raise our consciousness and we must get established into the higher state of consciousness. So if scientifically, if I say, if I am outwardly, then my brain wave frequency, if I measure my brain wave frequency through electroencephalography, then I will find it is more than 12 to 13 waves per second. Now I have to be one with the God. And now when the people, those who I have observed, the healers of the world, so these healers of the world, they start healing at the brainwave frequency of Shiva Yoga. And then they say, oh my God, Babaji, when I give healing to others, I fall sick. The problem is you are already worried and you are going to connect to more worries. Then what will happen? The worries will get transferred to you. So first of all, you must learn in the Shambhavi of infinite dimension. Because when it is the brainwave frequency of higher level of beta waves, then you are in third dimension. Your consciousness is in third dimension. Whereas what you must learn, that you must be established in fourth dimension or higher in higher dimension. That is what you must practice. You must remain calm and peaceful. What you must practice is to remain calm and peaceful. When you remain calm and peaceful, then anybody says anything, it does not affect you. If anybody hurts you, you release it.